Hello Primary 6, today we will take a new lesson in the Unit 1 miscellaneous exercise on ratio and its properties. This chart note that about the meaning of difference. We have many words to means difference. Less than meaning difference, decrease means difference, bigger than, longer than, more than, shorter than, exceed, smaller than, and increase. This chart meaning difference. We will explain this chart for our example. For this lessons, we will learn the ratio by three different ways. For examples, one of the given ratio, the sum, the difference. We will start by this example. If the ratio between the weight of Hani and the weight of Ahmed is 5:6, and if the weight of Ahmed is 60 kilogram, calculate the weight of Hani. Okay, this is the first part from this lessons. If given the weight or the numbers, يعني the first part اللي هو one of the given ratio. تمام. Then هو هنا اداني one of the given ratio. هو ratio هنا between what؟ يعني between Hani and أحمد. يبقى between Hani and أحمد. The weight of Hani to the weight of أحمد. حلو. Fine. طيب. Then 5:6. طيب هنا we will write the 60 kilogram under the weight of Ahmad or the weight of Hani? The weight of Ahmad. Okay, then after we make the cross multiplications for this example of this questions, 60 times 5/6, or 5 times 60 over 6. The weight of Hani equal 5/6 times 60. Then after we simplify, equal 5 times 10 equal 50 kilogram. Okay, this is example. Give me أو هو give the weight أو given the weight of Hani. Okay, the weight of Ahmed, and we can find the weight of Hani by cross multiplication. Another example, a primary school has 540 people. طب any school people اللي هو بيكون موجود فيها بتكون boy and girl. Okay, if the ratio between the number of boys with the number of girls is 4:5, calculate the number of each boys and girl. طيب هو هنا عايز ايه؟ calculate ايه؟ the number. But the questions have ايه؟ have the ratio between 4 and 5. طيب هو ايه 540 people دي؟ هي ال sum of ratio between the boy and girl. Then we write the number of boys to the number of girls and the sum. Why we write the sum? لأن هو هنا 540 the sum between the boy and girl. Okay? Then the number of boys to the number of girls 4 to 5 and the sum between them equal 9. Okay? Then 4 to 5 and the sum 9, we write 540 اللي هي under ايه؟ under the sum between them. Okay, and there's a sum. هل we can you write 540 under the number of girls? Of course no. Okay, can you write 540 under the number of boys? Of course no. Then we write 540 under the sum of boy and girl. After we make cross multiplications, we can find the number of boys and the number of girls. We have two methods to solve this question. The first method, 540 divide 9. 540 divide 9 equals 60 people. Then 60 times 4 to find the boys. 60 times girl to find the number of girls. Okay? Then the number of boys 60 times 4 equal to 240 boys. طيب, the number of girls 60 times 5 equal 300 girls. Then another method, we can make cross multiplication. 540 times 4 over 9 to find the number of boys. 540 times 5 over 9 to find the number of girls. Another solution, the number of boys, 540 times 4 over 9 equal to 140. The number of girls equal 540 times 5 over 9 equals 300. If you want to check from your answer, you can addition اللي هو السم يبقى we can add 240 number of boys plus 300 number of girls equal 540. Okay, this is your questions. How many numbers of people for this school? 540. Okay, طيب another example. A rectangular shape piece of land, the ratio between its length and its width is 9 to 7. Should be the difference between the ratio and the number. This is a ratio. If the difference between the length and the width is 18, if the difference, not the sum, the difference, okay? طيب, calculate each of the length and the width and the perimeter of the land. Okay, the ratios between length and width 9 to 7. Okay, the ratio between length and width 9 to 7. The difference meaning what? We subtract length from the width, our greatest number from smallest number. Okay, we difference or subtract between a ratio and we addition or we add between a ratio, not between the numbers. Okay, يبقى we subtract between the two number of ratio. Then 9 minus 7 equal 2. We write 18 under the length? Of course no. But we write 18 under width? Of course no. وهنا قال إيه? If the difference between the length and width is 18, then we write it after. We write after the difference number. Then, after we finish, write the difference. We can divide 18 divided by 2 equal what? Equal 9. Then the length 9 times 9 equal 81. The width 9 times 7 63. طيب. The length of the rectangular land 9 times 9 equal 81 meter. The width of the rectangular land equal 7 times 9 equal 63 meter. Then, everyone know the perimeter of the land? The perimeter of rectangle, the land is a rectangular shape. The length plus the width times 2, then 81 plus 63 times 2. 81 plus 63, 144. Times 2 equal 288 meter. Okay. Another solutions, we can multiply to find the length of rectangle 18 times 9 over 2 to find the length. To find the width 18 times 7 over 2. Another solution, the length 18 times 9 over 2 81 meter. The width 18 times 7 over 263 meter. Then the perimeter of rectangle equal length plus width times 2 equal 81 plus 63 times 2. 81 plus 63, 144 times 2 equal 288 meter. Okay, this is our lesson for Unit 1. I hope everyone can understand this lesson, Primary 5. Thank you for good listening.